Deforestation has many negative effects on the environment. The most dramatic impact is the loss of habitat for millions of species. 70% of Earth's land animals and plants live in forests, and many cannot survive the deforestation that destroys their homes. Deforestation also drives climate change. Forest soils are moist, but without protection from sun-blocking tree cover, they quickly dry out. Trees also help perpetuate the water cycle by returning water back into the atmosphere. Without trees to fill their roles, many former forest lands can quickly become barren deserts.
Reduced biodiversity is a concern not only to animals but also to humans. The main cause of this happening is deforestation. The cutting of trees and apparently too much of it.
Without trees, animals like birds lose their home, endangering them and their little ones. Without trees, carbon dioxide will not turn to oxygen. Therefore, we have nothing to breathe.
Without trees and their roots, nothing will hold the land, preventing soil erosion. And without trees, the whole food chain will be messed up. As young adults, we can take part in preventing deforestation. Just as simple saving of paper and valuing helps a lot.
Deforestation is clearing Earth's forests on a massive scale, often resulting in damage to the quality of the land.
Ay, video! Without trees and their roots, nothing will hold the land, preventing soil erosion. Without trees, di ko mabasa! But also humans. Sige. Yan. Without trees. Joyce! Napabasa ko yan. Ito na ba? Ay! Alam mo talaga! 1, 2, 3. Ulit pa. Whole food chain. Hindi ko ito. Ah, okay. Okay na.